Take a look at how easy it is to score using the serrated side. Hi guys, my name is Daisy. Welcome back to The King and the Flower. I am here to assist you on your pottery journey. Today we're going to talk about ribs. These are two of my favorite ribs, and this one is called a serrated rib, and I use it every time I create a project for scoring. It makes scoring so much quicker and easier, and this guy is a rubber rib, and it's very, very flexible, which is one of the reasons why I like it, because I can curve it and just create a very perfect shape for smoothing out. An excellent substitute for these two ribs is using a gift card, and we're going to make some small modifications that are going to allow you to use this in that way. So find one in your wallet or maybe in your mailbox. If you get a credit card and you're not about that life, you can take it and cut it up and use it for clay. Okay, so here is my card that I'm going to be using. I'm going to cut this up on one end and create some little teeth in order to use this as a serrated rib. So all I need is a pair of scissors, and I'm going to try to make like these zigzags that are very, very close together, so that I can create hatch marks. My serrated side like that, and this is going to allow me to create hatch marks more quickly. And I love how cards can be very flexible as well, so even though it's not as flexible as this other one, it is pretty easy to bend and curve into the shape that you need it to. You can also take a card and cut it up into different shapes, so in case you wanted to smooth the inside of something that's a little bit more narrow, you can take a card and cut it into various shapes. Like for example, this one right here, I can take it and cut it into more of a curved shape. So something like that kind of mimics a rib. And then that'll allow me some more flexibility when it comes to size and shape. While pin tools are helpful for attaching handles on mugs, for scoring larger areas, you'll definitely save a lot of time by using this handmade serrated rib. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, check out this other one on how to make a homemade lube tool, and I will see you next time for more ceramics related content.